Today's Wednesday, December 17th. This is a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado left-hand driver's side articulating mirror. This is from my friend Carl in Texas. The unit was completely disassembled. I've changed out the 3-cable articulating joystick and replaced the cables. This is an example of what a snapped cable looks like. Okay, whereby the only 2 degrees of freedom as opposed to 3 degrees of freedom was operating in the old joystick cable. So I put an entirely new cable in, and I'll go ahead and show how the articulation works. Left, right, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, and we'll do the left to right again. Okay, so we can see we have full actuation in all directions. Okay, back to neutral. And I'll be applying a brand new mirror once I trim the crimp connections. And it'll be going out to my friend Gall in Texas. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976. All the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, December 17th. This is Eldorado George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.